India has two citizens, Devyani and Sangeeta. Both have received unfair treatment. I wish India would stand by both. But because we have double standards which are connected to middle class values, we think about middle class women differently from working class women. While on one hand, people are quick to point out that foreign diplomats need higher wages so that they can pay better and US standard wages to their employees, nobody is talking about changing the law in India to provide a minimum wage to our domestic workers. In India, we have no minimum wage for domestic workers. Only in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, two states of India, do we have any kind of protection for even working conditions. Domestic workers across the country are not allowed to decide what their wages should be, what their working conditions should be, what their leave should be, what the payment should be, and because of that, they are often exploited mercilessly. If we have to take a moral stand with the world, and India is known for its moral stand in the world because we got rid of British colonialism without a war and through non-violence, we have to remember that the means are as important as the end. And it is really, really important for us when we argue with the US about our rights that we remember the rights of our second citizen, who is also a Dalit because she is oppressed, and her name is Sangeeta.